Is your garden ready to handle the heat? Because summer doesn't wait, and neither should you. In today's video, we're digging into the best seeds to start right now to set your garden up for a thriving, sun-loving season. Whether you're growing in raised beds, containers, or straight in the ground, these varieties were born to beat the heat. From juicy peppers to powerhouse squash and vibrant flowers that can take the sizzle, these are the heat-tolerant champions your summer garden needs. Don't be afraid to branch out and explore lesser-known varieties. Your garden might just surprise you. Whether it's a quirky heirloom or a colorful hybrid, growing something new adds flavor, fun, and a little adventure to your summer harvest. Help the channel grow, like, and subscribe. Let's kick things off with a squash that knows how to thrive when the sun's blazing: butternut squash. This long-season winter squash needs about 100 to 110 days to maturity, but once it's going, it laughs in the face of heat and dry spells. Each fruit can weigh 2 to 4 pounds and brings a rich, nutty sweetness to soups, roasts, or even summer risottos. While it does need space to sprawl, you can guide vines up a strong trellis to make it more container-friendly. Next up, a true show-stealer in compact gardens: 8-ball zucchini. This round, dark green zucchini matures in just 50 days, making it a quick win for your summer harvest. The small, bushy plants fit easily in containers and raised beds, and pump out one round fruit after another, ideal for stuffing or slicing. These guys love full sun and can handle high temps without a fuss. Their sunny disposition and steady production make them a standout choice for any summer garden. Next, let's talk about peppers, starting with the always reliable sweet banana pepper. Mild, slightly tangy, and delightfully crunchy, these peppers mature in just 60 to 70 days and are incredibly prolific. Each plant produces loads of 6 to 8-inch peppers that are great for pickling or snacking. And yes, these heat lovers thrive in containers too, earning them a well-deserved spot on our list of sun-loving plants. Now, on to the melons. Craving something sweet? Say hello to the sugar baby watermelon, a popular summer favorite that thrives in the heat, grows well in containers, and easily earns its place on our list of sun-loving plants. This compact variety is also perfect for small gardens and raised beds. It matures in just 75 to 80 days, producing 6 to 12-pound fruits with deep red flesh. As long as it gets full sun and consistent watering, it'll deliver juicy results, even when temperatures soar. There are many watermelon varieties out there, but the sugar baby stands out for its compact size, fast ripening, and irresistibly sweet, juicy flesh, making it a top pick for small-space summer gardens. Up next, tomatoes. Let's start with the Cherokee Purple Tomato, an heirloom gem with rich, smoky flavor and serious summer resilience. These beefsteak-style fruits grow up to 12 to 16 ounces and ripen in about 80 to 85 days. They're not only heat-tolerant but also crack-resistant, a big plus in fluctuating summer weather. Stake them, cage them, or grow them in big pots, but definitely grow them. Looking for more sun-loving tomatoes? Try Solar Fire, bred specifically for hot climates. It sets fruit even when nights stay warm. Heatmaster is another winner, producing medium-sized tomatoes in just 70 to 75 days, with a firm texture and great taste under intense sun. And if you love cherry tomatoes, Sun Gold thrives in the heat and delivers super sweet golden orange fruits that ripen fast and just keep coming. Now let's dig into something hearty, because no summer garden is complete without a few delicious underground treasures like potatoes. There are many sweet potato varieties to choose from, but for something truly unique, plant the Purple Majesty, also known as the Okinawan purple sweet potato. With its vibrant violet flesh and rich earthy sweetness that's as nutritious as it is beautiful. With more than 120 days to maturity, this one is for the patient gardener. But oh, it's worth it. The deep purple flesh is packed with antioxidants, and the vines create a gorgeous ornamental ground cover. If you're looking for a classic, you can't go wrong with Beauregard sweet potatoes. With a quick 90 to 100 day turnaround, they're one of the earliest to harvest. They thrive in heat, tolerate drought, and grow well in large containers or grow bags. The roots are sweet, orange, and reliable, even in tough soil. Bonus, sweet potato greens are edible too. Now on to beans, because what's a summer garden without pole beans climbing to the sky? Rattlesnake pole beans mature in about 65 to 75 days, and produce long, tender pods with purple streaks. They're vigorous, heat-tolerant, and oh so beautiful climbing up trellises. Right behind them we have the reliable Kentucky Wonder Pole bean. This heirloom produces 7 to 9 inch pods and has been a staple in southern gardens for generations. It handles heat like a champ and keeps producing all summer long. If you're feeling extra bold, try scarlet runner beans. Not only are the beans delicious, but the vibrant red flowers attract hummingbirds and bees. They thrive in full sun and grow tall, making them perfect for vertical gardening. And a great way to wrap up our list of favorite beans. And finally, okra. You knew it was coming. Try Clemson Spineless 80, a southern favorite, and for good reason. It matures in about 60 days, producing tender, spineless pods that can grow up to 6 inches long. It thrives in heat and is great for both garden beds and containers. But if you want something a little flashier, check out red burgundy okra. It's just as productive, just as heat-loving, but with deep burgundy red pods and stems that add drama to your garden. Also matures in 55 to 60 days and looks stunning in both edible and ornamental beds. To really supercharge your summer garden, consider adding a few companions to the mix. Basil loves to cozy up to tomatoes and peppers, boosting their flavor and keeping pests in check. Marigolds are a heat-tolerant flower that repels nematodes and aphids, plus they bring a cheerful splash of color. Rounding things out with a splash of color and charm, don't forget nasturtiums. These edible flowers attract pollinators and trap pests like aphids before they reach your veggies. Whether you're growing on a patio or in a full garden, these heat-loving varieties are ready to shine. Just add sun, water, and a little love, and let your garden turn up the heat in the best way possible. Choose classic favorites or branch out with something new. Each of these heat-tolerant plants is ready to thrive, so pick a few that excite you and get growing. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a like and hit subscribe. And don't forget to share your favorite summer veggie in the comments below. Happy planting!